Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you some amazing MS Word tips and tricks that will help you work faster and make your documents look super professional. So let's begin with our first example. In this example, you can see that I have a para in which there are some additional spaces between words and I want to remove them. If I try to remove them manually, then it will consume a lot of time. So let me show you a quick way to do this in seconds. First, select your para and from the keyboard press Ctrl H and this Find and Replace window will appear. In Find What, type caret sign by pressing Shift and 6 number key from your keyboard and then type W. And in Replace with, just add a single space and click on this Replace All button and then close this dialog box, and here you can see that all the additional spaces have been removed. Now let's see another example. In this example, you can see I have different lines and I want to combine them in a single para. And here you can see that all the lines have been separated using enter spaces. Now, in order to merge them into a single para, what we can do here is select your information and then from the keyboard press Ctrl H. In Find and Replace window, first insert the caret sign and then add P and leave the Replace with empty and click on Replace All and then close this dialog box, and here you can see that all the lines have now been merged in a single para. So if you like this trick, then don't forget to hit like to the video. In this example, you can see I have some numbers and I want to calculate their total. So now let me show you how you can perform calculations in MS Word. Place your cursor under the number column and from the keyboard press Ctrl and F9 function key and you will start seeing these curly braces and then within the braces type equal to and here you are supposed to type the formula. Let's say we want to do the sum of these numbers. So start typing sum, add parentheses and within the parentheses you are supposed to write above. This means sum all the numbers that are existing above this column and now you are supposed to press simply F9 from the keyboard and you will see the sum of these numbers. And if you want to see this number in words, then again press Ctrl and F9 from the keyboard and within the curly braces type equal to and type this number, then add slash and then add asterisk by pressing Shift and 8 number key from the keyboard and after asterisk type card text and press F9 from the keyboard. Now this will change your number into words. So if you like this trick, then don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section. Now let's see another example. Here you can see that I have list of names, but the problem here is the first letter of these names are in single case and I want to convert them into uppercase. So let me share with you a shortcut to do this. First select your range and from the keyboard press the shortcut Alt H7C. And here you can see the first letters of all the names have been changed to uppercase. Okay, so this is a very useful trick to use in your daily task. Now let me show you another trick. Often we need to create a smart art from our information. Normally we insert the smart art and then manually type the information within that. But let me show you the right way and the easiest way to create smart arts from your information. Let's say you want to insert a hierarchy chart from these names. So instead of inserting the chart first and then manually typing these names, what you can do is to first create the list, and if you want to create the levels, then you can simply press Tab from the keyboard to create different levels like I am doing here. So once you made your necessary changes, select your information and from here click on copy, okay, and then press enter, go to insert and add the required chart from the list. Let's say we want to use this hierarchy chart, so I'm going to choose it and press OK. Now here you can see that the chart is empty. Let me show you the next steps. First of all, remove this information from here. So for the first, let's type management and let's press enter and then you can press tab, and then you can press Ctrl V. And here you can see that how quickly your chart in the form of required format has been created. After creating the chart, you can remove this information. So this is the right and the smartest way to create smart arts from your information. So if you like the today's video, then don't forget to hit like and drop a comment. If you want to learn more tips and tricks, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for your time. Stay happy, stay blessed.